Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, there stood an old house at the end of a narrow street. The house was tall and dusty, with ivy creeping up its stone walls. The villagers often told stories about it, warning their children not to go near it. They said the house was haunted. In this town lived a curious boy named Timmy. He wasn't scared of anything. One evening, while playing with his friends, Timmy overheard the older children whispering about the shadow in the attic. They told tales of how the shadow would make strange noises. Timmy thought, that sounds like a silly story. I'll prove them wrong. I'll go to the attic and see if it's true. The next afternoon, Timmy decided to visit the old house. He crept past the rusty gate and up the creaky steps. The door, surprisingly, was open. Timmy felt a chill run down his spine, but his curiosity pushed him forward. The inside of the house was dark and dusty, with cobwebs hanging from the ceiling. The air smelled musty, and the floor creaked under his feet as he moved toward the stairs. Timmy's heart pounded in his chest, but he took a deep breath and started to climb. As he reached the top, the attic door creaked open on its own. Inside, the room was filled with old furniture covered in dusty sheets, and the only light came from a small window. In the corner of the room, something caught his eye, a dark, swirling shadow that seemed to move by itself. Timmy's legs trembled, and for the first time, he felt a knot in his stomach. He wanted to run, but his feet wouldn't move. The shadow seemed to grow larger and closer, its shape flickering and shifting in the dim light. Suddenly, a voice whispered, "Go ahead, run away. I know you're scared." Timmy spun around, but there was no one there. The shadow seemed to smile. "Who are you?" Timmy asked, his voice barely a whisper. "I am the fear you hide deep inside," the shadow replied. "I grow stronger every time you ignore your fears and try to pretend they don't exist." Timmy's heart raced as he realized the truth. The shadow wasn't a ghost or a monster. It was his own fear, something he'd been hiding from. He remembered how he had always told himself he was never scared, thinking fear was something weak and foolish. But now, the fear he had denied was real. Timmy took a step back, his mind racing. "How can I make you go away?" he asked, his voice trembling. The shadow laughed softly. "You can't make me go away by ignoring me. You have to face me. You have to acknowledge that you're scared, and only then will I fade." Timmy's eyes widened as he understood. He wasn't just afraid of the attic or the stories. He was afraid of the unknown. But now, he knew that the only way to conquer his fear was to face it head-on. Taking a deep breath, Timmy spoke clearly. "I'm scared, but I'm not running away." The shadow hissed and shrank, its form trembling as if it were afraid of Timmy's bravery. Slowly, it faded away, vanishing into the air. The room seemed to lighten, and Timmy felt a sense of peace wash over him. He had learned something important that day.